What's good? I'm Kasim. It's Just Sneakers, back with another review. And today we got the Carhartt WIP New Balance 990v6. Now this is the second Carhartt WIP and New Balance collab that dropped. The first was a navy pair of 990v1s. These been anticipated and hyped for a little while now, probably like a couple months or so. The 990v6 is the latest model in the 990 series. These released across a few sites. I was able to purchase on the New Balance site itself. I entered the queue and I got through pretty quickly. So I guess I was one of the lucky ones or whatnot. I personally just didn't expect to win on New Balance, but here we are. Okay, let's take a look at the box. By all means, it's just another brown cardboard box, but we have New Balance and Carhartt branding in a forest green. And we have the box front made to look like an American flag. These are made in USA, so it's fitting. New Balance Carhartt logos right there. Get the inside, wax paper, Carhartt, New Balance. And before we get into all the details, let's just get a quick look at the overall shoe. The shoe is a mix of a few different materials. We have suede, leather, and mesh. A couple different gradients of suede. As far as shoelace, they come with a white pair of shoelace, which has the Carhartt branding on the lace tips in brown. And they also come with an extra pair of shoelace, a green pair. Okay, we can start at the toe. We have this brown part coming up from the outsole. We get a look at the suede and the white midsole. Move to the toe box. We have a dark gray mesh, and we have a couple different shades of brown. We have this one darker brown shade. Might even be 3M, I'm not too sure. But that's brown. The suede itself, that's more like the normal Carhartt color, which is Hamilton brown. They got it listed as workwear, but yeah, no. We have these felt suede parts right here that are perforated. That's similar to like a 990 V3. The V6 is like a mixed hodgepodge of other 990 models. Moving up, we got this tab right here. Moving up towards the tongue, we have suede eyelets, and one of the eyelets is brown leather, just one eyelet. The tongue itself is this gray mesh, and at the top we have Carhartt branding in this gray. It's like, like a dark grayish color. Most of the tongue is the gray mesh, but the top is this Hamilton brown mesh. And it's not even mesh, it's kind of like, it looks like this like jersey type material. Sock liner, forest green. Insole, forest green as well. New Balance Carhartt branding. Move to the side of the shoe. You can start with the New Balance logo, which is in the forest green on top of a brown backdrop. See on the side, we have all the different shades of brown, different shades and different materials. 990 branding. This top eyelet is like a greenish color. The midsole is multicolored. It's a sail, a tan, and this dark gray towards the back. Move to the back of the shoe. At the heel tab, we have this brown mesh, like jersey-like material. We have these two brown panels right here, and I'm not quite sure if that's 3M or not. Plastic TPU part, New Balance branding. Got some of the brown suede, of course. Then we make it to the midsole, and in the back, this part of the midsole is tan and dark gray. See a bit of the brown outsole peeking out. Move to the inside of the shoe, pretty much like the outside, bar for bar. Outsole, we have a few different shades of brown, gray, some green, sail. So there you have it, 990v6, Carhartt WIP. Sizing, I suggest true to size. I'm gonna give you a point of reference. I'm a size 9 in Jordan 1s. I'm a size 9 in pretty much all 990 New Balance. This pair right here, this is my first pair of 990v6. They fit on point. My suggestion, go true to size. For whatever reason you can't, half size down, you should be good. As far as comfortability goes, I ain't wear these for like a whole day or nothing like that, but they very comfortable. This is my first pair of 990 V6. I've had a bunch of different 990s. I would say this measures up well to the other ones. Might be even more comfortable. It's definitely light. It's probably among the most lightest 990s. And just from the look, these look like they're gonna be a chunky shoe. You know, they look a little bulky, but they're really light actually. So, you know, comfortability is good. Now let's jump into some on-feet looks. Now for my thoughts on these, of course I'm rocking with them. I heard of the collab first. I didn't know it would be a 990 V6. I like the gray GR pair, but I wasn't willing to just cop those. But you know, this collab made it an easy way to get into a 990 V6. You know, overall I'm impressed. They look good in hand. I like the forest green accents to them. You know, green accents, it work. Carhartt. I've been wearing Carhartt since I was a kid. WIP Carhartt, I've been, you know, rocking that since it kind of came out, since the Soho store opened. Like this sweater right here, for example, is like over 10 years old. I do like the white shoelace. I'll throw the green ones on for the on feet and whatnot. And yeah, you know, that's it. This is a pair that I wanted, I ended up getting, and I'm probably gonna have these for a very long time. There you have it. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Were y'all able to hit? Did the New Balance site do you dirty? Or are you copping on resale? Or you just don't like these, you think these is trash? Whatever it is, leave it below. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It's just sneakers. Peace.